everyone. Today I'm going to be checking out this kit from Modelones. It is Nail Art Decals 3D Nail Stencil. And it's got a little leaflet. Modelones Nail Decals Starter Kit. That's cool. And it's got the nail stickers, the decals. And then it's got the Modelones top and base coat. No white gel nail polish. Oh, look, it comes with a set of scissors. Oh, that's cool. And what's this? Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a set of tweezers. Oh, well, that's cool. And this is the base coat gel. Modelones top coat and Modelones base coat, and it is 10 ml bottles. Now let's check out what's in the stickers, or the nail decals and stickers. These are all flames, flowers, and leaves in this kit. Check this kit out. Alrighty, now let's get a couple swatch sticks, and we're gonna put on a base coat. And we're going to apply this one looks really cool. These are flames, you guys. Some of this Modelones top coat. Okay guys, here they are out of the lamp, and it is a no wipe top coat. That's that decal or decals, whichever one you prefer, and that's that one. That's that one. Love these. Look at that. Can you see that? That is so cool. I love this little kit. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these. These are raised don't know if you can see that. They're really raised. Like, I think these are the 5D. And that number on there is MG1902 or 4251. All right, this is all what comes in the kit, except for the swatch sticks. But all this comes in the kit: scissors, top coat, base coat, the decals, the tweezers. So yeah, you guys need to go check this out.